So in this Yahoo Finance tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view the top 52-week gainers in regards to stocks here on Yahoo Finance. So the first thing you have to do is obviously open up Yahoo Finance. Once that is done, go to this bottom bar and press on the search icon or the Discover tab here in the bottom middle area. Once you're here, make sure in the top left that the equity tab is selected. If for whatever reason the crypto tab selected or the ETF tab, it'll be highlighted just like this. So make sure you go to the top left, press on the equities tab, then just scroll down until you come across an option that says day gainers and losers. Keep scrolling until it says 52-week gainers and losers. Discover the equities with the greatest gains and losses in the last 52 weeks, and right below it, as you can tell, gainers is selected by having the blue text right here. If for whatever reason the losers is selected, just press on gainers right there. Then press on 52-week gainers just like this. And there you go. Pretty straightforward, but this is how to view the top 52-week gainers in regards to stocks and equities here on Yahoo Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.